I loved about this tour here at Diamond C facility was the tack building, where you can actually see where they make their own parts there in-house, and it's not just something you get off the shelf. They actually build them right here at the Diamond C facility here in Mount Pleasant. It's just a great thing that they do here. Great trailer, great product. Glad to have it.
Hey, one of the great things here about Diamond C going through this boot camp was viewing the where they engineer the necks and everything. Just the whole process going through it, how they're made. I never knew how that was done, so it was really cool seeing that.
Favorite thing about this boot camp was seeing how the engineered beam is made in the beam fab plant.
No, I just really enjoyed this experience. Just got to know the product a lot more. The welcome and the compassion y'all showed to have us here just means a lot, and I appreciate that. Thank you so much.